Yo, what's up guys, today we're going to be playing some Rocket League, yes sir, yes, yeah, the limited time mode, Speed Cube, with my friend. This guy's a Season 1 Bronze Tournament winner, he's super cracked. Yeah, we're oh dang, so, oh god. We got a Striper on our team? Alright. Oh gosh. Shepard? Oh my gosh, Shepard's so cracked. So cracked, oh my gosh. I've been getting a lot better recently. So let's see how that pans out in this game. Oh, this guy's cracked. Backflip. Yes sir! Yes sir! Let's go. Yeah, we got a real teammate. Shepard. Yeah, yeah, musty flick. That was not a backflip, that was just a musty. That was a musty. I was just a little off, just a little. Boom! Oh my gosh, no shot. Dude, was that going in? Or was that off? Dang, bro, why does everybody have to save my best shots? I just peek and then the goalie peeks too. Like, only I can peek, okay? Nobody else can peek. Alright, our teammate is actually pretty good. You're decent. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Carrying is a part of the game, you know what I'm saying? Now you know how to, oh! Come on. Oh, come on. Why you gotta steal my goal like that, bro? Why you gotta... You do need points. That was going in. That was a crazy shot. And I was like, please don't save that. And then you steal my goal. Like, bro. Alright. Oh my gosh. That cube's bounce patterns are like, ew. No. Oh! I almost redirected that in. Oh my gosh! That was actually pretty good by my teammate. I'm very loud right now. I'm gonna chill it down to like a ASMR level. Alright. Nah. Don't unsubscribe if I go ASMR. You know, it's just a part of my blood. No! Don't ask who my ancestors are. Just don't ask. You're scared of my ancestors because they're ASMR people? Alright. Alright, Buccarino. Buccarino the 5th. You're the 5th Buccarino. Hit that teammate. Yeah, the 5th Buccarino. Not the 1st, not the 2nd, not the 3rd, not the 4th, not the... And it's the 5th. It's seconds away. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh! Yes, sir. Oh, cappuccino with the extra sauce. Don't you love cappuccinos with the extra sauce? No, that was not your goal. The teammate stole your goal, and then I redirected it in because I'm just that cool. I don't know. All right, we've got a oh, that was calculated. See, look, this entire scenario was calculated. I knew I was going to hit that right there, and I knew I was going to hit that again, and I would score. See, that was so calculated, you don't even know how calculated that calculator was. That was just too calculated. That was just calculated. I don't know what to say. Oh my gosh! Alright, we're chilling. Bro, you just got chipped by the ball. I know. Oh, I thought I was gonna go for the double tap. Bro, I'm just too good. I thought I was gonna go for the... Dude, I told you I was getting way better. I'm just cracked like that. Are you sure 7's enough? Are you sure 7's enough? Are you sure 5's enough? No, we gotta get 6. Hurry! They need more people, bro. Yeah, just hop on their team, like, legit. Well, you have 120 ping, but still. Oh my gosh, read like a book, chapter 7, page 19, 3. Redirect! Oh my gosh, that was crazy. And my teammate steals the goal, and oh my gosh. Bro, I just hit the craziest redirect of my life, and then my teammate steals it. Don't you just love when that happens? Yeah, you're literally on their team and they demoed you. And then I just scored that, you know. Casual. I love boomer mode, bro. Like, this is so fun. Yeah, this is boomer mode mixed with a key. Boomer mode is so much fun. Because you can... Stop whistling, I swear on my life. You're my... Bro, stop. Stop! Please. I will kill you. Alright. Bro, chill. I'll give them a goal. Dang it, I can hit the double tap. No, I was trying to own goal there. But I missed, so, Actually, I'll hop on your guys' team now. Never mind. I'm going on. Oh, yes, Queenie. Oh, come on. Yes! Oh my gosh. You own gold! I thought you were on the other team. 10 goals, let's go. Just erase the one. Bro, it's tied. Oh my gosh. Bro, 10 goals and I have 7 of them. Yeah, these kids are too good. Wait, I'll try an own goal. Just pass to me, No! Bro, I actually would have gotten that own goal. Stop whistling! I swear on my life. Alright. Ready up, ready up. Yes, sir. Bro. Alright. Let's get it. Bro, what the fuck? Alright. Come on. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I know. Alright. Do we just have an AI? No, they have 2 AIs. Okay. Yeah. Oh. No! I was gonna go for that sick redirect. Flick! Oh, I just chipped him. Yo, I'll hit a flick in the team mode. I'm not afraid, guys. Oh gosh. Ah! We're fine. Come on, somebody. Dax, hit that. Bro, what the flick? Alright. Hit that. Nice. Oh, yeah. Oh, I just team pitched it with them. Oh my gosh. Oh! The team plays? No! The cube out. Oh, alright, whatever. Bro, the team. Bro, I would have actually hit that double tap. I'm so mad. The cube just made it a waterfall. Like, what the fuck? Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. Okay. Wait, what if we got a bunch of people together, like all of our friends together, and then we made it boomer mode. And then I would be on one team. I mean, but we don't have enough friends for making a mini RS, I guess. Yeah, but we don't have enough friends for that, though. Does Ashton even play Rocket League? Oh. I don't know if we're getting all those people on at the same time. Bro, I haven't scored once. I think we can get like 3 other people. Yes, sir. Bro, they only have 1 person on their team. Oh, I'm still in the lead. Let's go. Finch? Oh my gosh. Shepard, hit that? Shepard, hit the ball. Dax, you're not going on the team. Hit that again, Dax? Oh, yes. Yeah. Yeah, that corner shot was very good. Yeah. I think it was. I don't care about Fortnite's new weapon. Because I really don't care about that. Well, now I don't, but I used to care about Fortnite, but right now. I'll play with you, but still. Right now, I don't care about Fortnite. Like, later, I will care about Fortnite. Nobody's gonna steal this MVP. Because I'm just good like that. I'm just good like that. I'm just... Hit that one more time. I want to get MVP though. I want it too much. I will literally sabotage you just to get MVP. Don't own goal. That's the exact opposite on how to get. Well, if you own goal, I can save it and then I'll get more points. You're just like, yes, I can get MVP, and then you just miss, and I double tap it. You only have 42 seconds to get MVP, bro. No. No! You can still get MVP. Oh, you have a chance. You have a chance to get MVP. Oh, save. You have to get like 2 goals to get MVP, bro. No, I gotta save. Yeah. Oh, I'm just gonna dunk this in just for extra credit. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. That was actually a good shot, though. I got double tap. Let's go. Alright. That is it for this video. If you enjoyed, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Yeah, bye.